Welcome to my podcast, 100% English. In this podcast, we are talking about life. My name is Leo, as you know, and today I have a special guest.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our show. My name is Leo, as you know, and today we have someone very special with us. Her name is Allison. She's a doctor, a pediatrician. She works with babies and kids, and she studies how babies learn language. Oh, and Allison has a really interesting book about this, a book that I really enjoyed reading. She's also bilingual and nice people as well, and today she's going to share some tips that I know we want to know. Thank you for being here, Allison.
Hello, Leo. Thank you for that presentation. I am happy to be here and talk about language learning.
Great. Okay, so Allison, today we want to talk about how a person has to start learning English from zero, from nothing, like a baby. Many people feel afraid. They do not know where to start. So, can you explain the first step?
Yes, of course. The first step is listening. Babies listen first. They listen for many months. They listen to voices, they listen to sounds, they listen to words.
They do not study grammar, of course. They're listening every time the voices of their parents, right?
They just listen.
Listening is the beginning. Babies copy what their parents say. At first, only the parents can understand what the baby wants to say. Am I right?
Yes, listening is number one. When you listen, your brain makes small connections. This is how babies learn. Adults can learn too, but in a different way. Adults must focus a lot, but kids learn through experience. Their brains are made to explore the world. They learn faster than adults.
That is very interesting, Allison.
After listening, the person says one word, only one, like a baby. A baby says milk, but the baby means I want milk. One word, big meaning. This is normal. Babies say water, and they mean I want water.
Adults learn the same. We say coffee, and we mean I want coffee.
First, we listen. Then we say one word. Then two words. And later, sentences.
Yes, step by step.
Yes, Leo. Words with meaning. Words for life. For example, water, food, sleep, go, come, stop, help. These words help too much to speak. They help you communicate. Just with a few words, they try to communicate.
I like that. It is simple, but very powerful.
Yes, and the next tab after one word is two-word phrases. Very short, but full meaning. Like want water, go home, need help, eat now.
So one word first, then two words, and repeat many times, right?
Yes, Leo. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Do not worry if you understand or not. Your brain learns by sound. Repetition makes strong connections.
That is amazing. And I think many people will feel better because it is simple and fun.
Yes, fun is very important. When you enjoy learning, your brain creates happy chemicals. These chemicals help memory. They help focus. They help motivation.
So we have to enjoy the process.
Yes, of course. Enjoy it. Smile. Repeat. Listen again. Repeat again. This repetition is not boring. It is brain training, like exercise.
Amazing! So, we learn like children, step by step, word by word. No stress, just listening, repeating, and smiling.
Exactly, Leo. This is the smart way and natural way.
So, Allison, step 1, listen. Step 2, learn small words. Step 3, 2-word phrases. So, and now,
The next step is simple too. We move to 3-word phrases, not big sentences, just 3 words. For example, I want water. I need help. I feel good. You are nice. Time to sleep. These are short, but the brain learns fast with them.
I see. 3 words feel like a real sentence, but still easy.
Yes, Leo, 3 words are perfect for new learners. The brain can remember them, the brain can use them, and the brain feels like, oh, I can speak now.
This feeling is important. It gives confidence. Okay, I get it.
When we feel good, we learn faster. We repeat more. We enjoy more. We feel safe. This makes the brain open and ready to learn. The brain works better like this.
I like that. Step by step. Natural. Simple. No stress. Allison, so can you give 3 tips for people who want to start today?
Yes, here are 3 tips. Tip 1, just listen to slow English every day. Only 10 minutes. Just 10. But do it every day. Your brain likes routine. Your brain learns with time. Tip number 2, Leo. Repeat small words and small phrases. Very simple, very short. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help learning. Repeat the word slowly. More and more. More you use it, it feels more natural.
Great tips. Thank you. Very clear, very simple. Allison,
Leo, remember that learning a language is a journey, but you can do it. Step by step, word by word, smile by smile. Small steps. Be patient. Keep trying. Celebrate small wins.
so yeah, now it is the end. Time passed fast. This is the end. We hope you learned something new. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep going. Thank you, friends. Today we learned something simple. Learning a new language is slow. It is step by step. We also learned this. Relax when you learn. When we feel happy,
Thank you, Leo. And thank you, friends. Remember, you can learn English. You can improve every day.
beautiful words, Allison. Friends, this is the end of this podcast. We hope you feel happy, strong, and great. And we hope you come back for the next episode. Thank you for listening. Take care. See you soon.
Practice your English. Take small steps. And remember, you can do it.